In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Webflow is a robust, visual website builder that allows you to create responsive designs without writing any code. It transforms your design into clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Whether you're a beginner or experienced web designer, Webflow offers a versatile platform for building beautiful websites efficiently. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your site with Webflow. First, open your browser and search for Webflow. Once you find their official site, you'll want to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Creating an account is simple and straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you're set to start your design journey. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with a prompt asking whether you'd like to use the AI Site Builder, a template, or start from scratch with a blank site. Consider your comfort level and the complexity of the design you intend to create. If you're new to Webflow or web design in general, using a template might be a good choice, as it provides a structured foundation. After you select your starting point, you'll need to name your project and click on Create Site. This step initiates your design workspace. With the site created, it's time to delve into customization. Familiarize yourself with the designer's interface. Spend a little time exploring the panels and tools available, as they are key to building an engaging, visually appealing site. This exploration phase can help spark ideas about how you want your page to look and function. Now, you'll create the skeletal structure of your pages. Start by adding sections and containers, which are essential building blocks. These elements provide order and hierarchy to your layout, ensuring that everything fits together seamlessly across different devices. Setting up these structures correctly from the beginning can save you a lot of time down the line. Next, fill your layout with content. This is where your text, images, and media files come into play. Utilize the Style panel to make these components visually appealing. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing, bringing your design vision to life. Once you have the basics in place, consider enhancing user interaction and experience with animations and interactions. Use the Interactions panel for this. It offers a range of effects such as hover states and scrolling animations, adding polish and professionalism to your site. As you become comfortable with these basics, it's time to explore Webflow's advanced features. You can manage dynamic content using Webflow's CMS for creating dynamic pages. If you're looking to sell products, Webflow's e-commerce features will be indispensable. For developers or those needing specific customizations, the platform allows for adding custom code. Finally, harness the power of integrations by connecting Webflow with other tools and services to extend your site's functionality. And that concludes our quick dive into designing with Webflow. Keep experimenting with its diverse tools and features, and soon enough, you'll be crafting stunning, responsive websites with ease. Happy designing!